Hi, my name is Mike Golubev and I'm a solutions architect at Amazon Web Services based in Munich, Germany. During my early time at university, I have taken part in ICPC contests, and today I'd like to welcome you and share my lessons learned and some tips about joining a large IT company, which can be a desired career path for many students. First, I'd like to start with the courses that you take in the university. And initially, I have viewed maths, physics, and programming courses as a core of my education, and I was less focused on the other subjects. However, when I was getting my master's degree, I have realized that customer-facing work is more interesting to me. And that's when I found that thanks to all these additional subjects, I had a quick kickstart, first as a technical account manager and then as an architect. And here I speak about different subjects, for example, software architecture, testing, project management, IT security, modern trends in IT, and others. And except for that, knowing all these disciplines can greatly help in communication with the other teams. And in large companies, this really happens on a daily basis. Then the second point that I'd like to speak about is related to trying as many things hands-on as possible during the time at university. IT world is developing really fast today, and new technologies are emerging all the time, and only some of them really make sense to be specialized in. And that's why having a wide outlook in the modern technologies is so important today. And from my experience, I can say that probably the easiest way to learn and understand a new technology is hands-on. And don't get me wrong, constant learning is really a must in IT world today. But the time at university is probably the best one to get to the required technical depth and breadth. The next point that I'd like to speak about is related to how you can control your time and prioritize the activities, which is somewhat connected to the first point. Especially in the large IT companies, the employees have more and more freedom in defining their own schedule. And there is less micromanagement, so no one really controls what each person is doing at any moment of time. And in my university, we had a lot of small projects that were done as a team. So my tip is take a lead at them. Make sure that you can control both your own schedule and how the project is delivered overall. And this can be a great practice for your future career. The next thing that I'd like to speak about is networking, both online and face-to-face. And here, ICPC events can greatly help you. I don't even think that I need to mention how important the professional network is in your career and how much it can help to get the job that you want. So make sure that you not just spend the time studying or competing in the contests, but also meet the other participants, speak with them, have a great time together, and keep these connections. My last point is also less technical and more culture related. In the modern world, the large companies more and more look not just at the technical fit of the candidate, but also at how much they align to the company's vision and principles. And therefore, make sure that you spend time reading about the company that you'd like to join and probably even practicing their principles in your day-to-day projects as a student. And more companies are really taking this principle seriously, so these are not just the nice words on the websites. For example, in Amazon, there are 14 leadership principles, with customer obsession being the very first one. And these principles are really used in a day-to-day work to make the decisions. And that's why during the interviews, candidates are often tested on these principles. And with that, thank you very much for your time. I wish you a good luck and have fun.